Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Sunday, December 18th. We're on day 8 of our extreme December planting, 10 days before the shortest day of the year. We've had a bunch of really good guesses, and you're not going to believe what we're going to plant today. Star cherries. Santa came early. Check this out. And I'm just glad it got here before the weather got real cold. So we're going to go ahead and get these in containers. What I'll do is pull the mulch back. We're going to use garden soil, and then we'll go ahead and get these in the house. But it's beautiful today. It turned off. It's almost 50 degrees. Let's get them in containers, and we'll see what we get. This is still a lot of wood chips in here. Get down to soil. We went ahead and put garden soil at the bottom of all of these, but I went ahead and got some potting soil. These roots are pretty delicate. The garden soil is pretty wet. Just look how delicate those roots are. We want to give these guys the best start we can. Well, now that we've got these in containers, let's go ahead and get some seeds in the ground. I'm going to do 3 rows. First off, we're going to plant a little more Bok Choi, very cold hardy plant. Then, we'll plant some more kale. I'm really only going to plant a few across this trench because they do get kind of big. Then I'm going to plant some chives. And we sure do like the chives. I'm putting them in rows this way so when the spring comes, we'll just continue the rows on out. Here's a little mini greenhouse over the top. Just pile some hay up around it. There you go, we're ready for the cold weather. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you think I'm going to plant tomorrow for day 9. And I had a viewer write in and ask what the right temperature was to open up the hot frames or the mini greenhouses. I don't really have a set temperature. Rule of thumb, if the sun is out and it's close to 40 and it's going to be that way the rest of the day, open them up. Now if it's cloudy and it's just barely going to get to 40 and it's going to freeze hard that night, I'd just leave them closed. Keep as much heat in as possible. If it gets to be about 60 and the sun is beating down on it, you're going to want to open them up and let some of that heat out, even if it's going to freeze the next morning. If you want to know what we've planted so far over the last 8 days, click that link right there and I'll meet you back in the garden. Bruce, thank you, and Merry Christmas. We'll do our best to keep these going. I'm going to get some water on these star cherries and we'll see what we get. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.